Hello everyone, I will try to explain how to purchase license for this new tool, and I will show you how to activate it, and if you face any problems, please do not hesitate to contact me. There are two ways how you can go to that shop page. First way is that either you'll click on this product page and then go to the shop and then click on this dynamic reports and then click add to cart. That is the one thing, but before we add that to the cart, this is a good place to point that this tool have a year license. This is the price for 1 year, and there is no subscription. So when that 1 year license expire, I will not charge you automatically anything. If you decide that you want to buy it again, great. If you choose to not buy it again, that is it. You do not need to remember that you need to cancel something, so the license will be valid for 1 year. Then if you want, you can buy it again. So if you decide to proceed, go add to cart, and from here you will need to click to proceed to checkout. But let me also show you the other way. So it can be that you did browse on the site and that you did go to the shop page. Over here you can see the product, and if you choose, you can automatically add it to the cart. And now the procedure is the same. We need to click to proceed to checkout. You need to fill out data. This is the data that PayPal require that you fill. These two fields are very important. For email address, please enter your valid email address, because on that email, when you finish with the payment, you will receive a product key. So if you did type some random email, then on that email a license key will go. Please fill out your valid email, and also please choose some strong password and remember that password. Up here, please read terms and conditions. I did not update it with this product. It remained the same. It is from the last May. So if you comply with the terms and conditions, check that over here and then proceed either to the PayPal or debit or credit card. Okay, this is basically your receipt. What is very important, it is important that you see, you can remember, or validation will tell you what is the date when the license expire, and over here you can download application file. I will click on download. Again, the same message that we did see before. You can also download this file later. I will show you if you just purchase and you do not have time to download and set up this file, you can also do it later. But okay, now we did download the file. Let's immediately create some folder and store somewhere this application file. So this is the file that we did download. I did create on desktop some dynamic collision report folder, and I will just extract the file over here. So this is the downloaded file, this is the application. Now we need to check email, because in the email you will see what is the license code. So this will be the first email that you will receive. Also, if you did not download that file immediately, you can use this link to go to DynamoScript web page and to download application file there. So now in your account you can check your orders, and you can also click on the downloads, and now again you can download this file. But if you already download the file, now you need to find that second email that you will receive, which will contain your product key. And this should be that email. Of course, in the video I will hide this license key, but what you need to do is to copy this license key and to paste it later in the validation process. Okay, I did copy the key. Now I want to start application. So what you can see over here is a validation form, and basically you cannot click on choose XML file or choose directory where you want to save HTML before you finish with validation. So you can try to click it, but it will not work. So now let's finish with validation. So you just need to copy that license key which you received on email, and you will need to do this only once. So only once for this entire year for which your license key will be valid. We did paste license key. We need to click on the validate key. License activated successfully. It is valid from the 1 year from now. And now this is the standard user interface that I already did explain in the previous video. Again, if you click cancel and now you want to run your application, because you did already finish with validation, you do not need to do it again. You will just now use the product, and that is it. So for the entire year, you will see this form. And now, just to show you how that end date will look like, I did simulate that we did buy this product 2 years ago. So now, if the license expired and you try to run the application, you will again see this form. And now, of course, if you want to use that same license key from the previous year that you did receive, you will see that actually that license key was revoked. And if you want, you can renew this license process. That is basically what I mentioned at the beginning. I will not charge you automatically anything. The license did expire. Now, if you want to buy new license key, that is okay. You can start with the purchasing again. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.